yard, out behind the cars.
Welcome back. So today I'm going to do things just a little bit differently. I don't have anything technical to do, so I'm going to do more of a silent video and just take care of the things I need to take care of and put some music in the background. So let me just do a quick little review of what I'm going to take care of during this video. We're going to bring that dirt in and get this berm finalized, and then we'll run the irrigation along here. And after that, we're going to put down the weed blocker, the weed barrier, all along this area. And then we'll start to get those boxes set. I have 4 more of the oval boxes coming in and then 2 round ones. So by the time this video is done, all of those will be set. I'll need to pull back this rock over here so that I can slide my new weed barrier underneath it. And this area should start to come to completion. It's getting real exciting. I know there's been some boring work while I've been doing this, but this is what we're working towards, getting this all taken care of. So let's get to it.
I will make the things that I know how to make. You will make something more delicious. A sweet potato pie on a flimsy paper plate. Baby, I don't think it gets much better. There isn't much to keep. We lay down and fall asleep till the morning comes around to find love. I still keep with me these little memories. The ones that stick around are the most bittersweet. I know it's getting late. The night is full of such mistakes. I was hoping that you might want to talk to me. Card table outside, still sitting there. It's been so long, barely holds together. You can't really say what's coming tomorrow. You can only feel the changing weather. One day I'll not recall if you were there at all. Maybe it was something like a dream. There isn't much to keep. Tonight I hope our friend comes around to find me. Oh, I still keep with me these little memories. The ones that stick around are the most bittersweet. I know it's getting late. The night is full of such mistakes. But I was hoping that you might want to talk